Okay, good morning. And so from the last video that I said about the dollar potentially retracing from this area right here, we could potentially see, USD actually pull back up from this area, right? And we can see that because the market structure is broken to the upside. We know it's overall bearish, but we don't know if the move is ready to be made yet because we see this fake out. So this shows some intention, the market continuing for at least a little bit, and this huge run up, right? So we're likely to get a correction and then a weaker move to the upside and maybe a drop after that. So what does that look like on Euro USD? Well, we can see price is already making that move. We see the market has broken the structure. We can see potential pushes to the downside, right? Now, this structure doesn't look so corrective. So that's what you have to look out for. This market right here looks like it could still potentially push a little bit higher, maybe catching some order blocks before it makes the move down. But what you're going to basically look for is just, rejection wicks, slowing momentum, market structure that looks really weak. But right now it looks kind of strong. But if the market structure just suddenly breaks to the downside, then you can take a retracement right here, right? Or if the market comes back up to this order block area and you see like lots of weak market structure, which is what you really want to see, you can just take it on the 15-minute with a change of structure and a continuation to the downside like that. Just keeping it simple and just keeping your stop losses behind that 15-minute or 30-minute or whatever time frame you trade, like that smaller time frame structure. It's just very easy. But where I'm wrong on this is if we keep seeing momentum push to the upside and we see, impulse moves and correction moves to the downside instead of correction moves to the upside and impulse moves to the downside. Right. So just be on the lookout for that and don't try to, slap a shooting knife in the sky. You know what I'm saying? I don't even know what I'm saying, but you guys, you guys just need to, be a little bit more, be a little bit analytical for this one because it can probably go either way. But my bet is still on the downside, right? And let's go ahead and take out the Fibonacci real quick because I want to see this is at. Yeah, so we could still have some more rise out of this potentially. Okay, if market wants to come to this 50 level or the 61.8, we could see that definitely. But the market has already caught this order block right here, right? But the market still hasn't. Actually, the market just caught this order block, so we could see continuation to the downside from here for sure. So just keep that in mind. Look for the lower time frame market structure changes, and yeah, trade safe, guys.